Hello, my students. How are you? So, today's lesson is super easy. If you have watched my previous videos, you're gonna find it so easy. Because just like another ideas or another ways just to write to write like better essays, better sentences and articles, so on and so on. So eliminating wordiness just like it's so easy, super easy actually. I'm gonna show you some examples and you're gonna learn how to rewrite or how to write good sentences. So writing is most effective when it is direct and clear, and when it is not weighed down with unnecessary words and phrases. Here are ways to achieve clarity in your writing. So easy. Okay. Just be clear, be simple. That's it. Okay. So here the first one, try to use precise words, specific words and phrases just to make your writing interesting. Okay. And like avoid long complicated. Okay, gonna see. Here, in my very humble opinion, The Outcast of Poker Flat is the best story that Bret Hart ever produced. Even though many other stories, poems, parodies, and plays that he penned certainly furthered his growing reputation. So, as you can see, like I find it a little bit complicated, and there's a lot of words, and I cannot find like the idea or the main idea. So here the revised one, in my opinion, The Outcast of Porker Flat is the finest piece of writing that Bret Hart ever produced. Just see the difference between the first line, the first two lines, and here. Okay, okay, it's just like avoid humble. Why would you like use this word? And just like it's just like the best story, you can just find it the finest piece of writing, and that's it. Even though many other stories, poems, parodies, and plays that he penned. Okay, so here, even though many other pieces he wrote in his reputation. Just that's it. That's with that. Just that's simple. Like instead of saying a lot of these two lines, I can make it short. Okay, and just like be clear in my idea. Okay, I'm just like clear. Here, again and again, avoid unnecessary repetition is simply other kind of padding. So try to avoid this kind of like this complicated thing that you're gonna lose marks for it. You're gonna learn here. Bret Hart had a very close, intimate knowledge of camp life in the mining camps. He knew firsthand what life in them was like. So I find it like a bit complicated. I mean, like, and there's a lot of like information and there's a lot of words that I don't need. I just can rewrite it in a better way. Here, it has been written in a like simple, and that's it. Bret Hart had an intimate knowledge, just like C had a very close intimate knowledge. Why would I like use this? Just had an intimate knowledge of mining camp. Okay, so why I would use camp life in the mining camp? So this is like, again, I'm choosing the same words in the same idea, right? So here, gained from first-hand experience. Mining camp life gained from first-hand experience, and that's it. Okay, just that easy. Good. Here, use to write in your own voice. Avoid using overly difficult words and complicated sentences. Just write what you mean as simply as directly as you can, and that's it. Like don't use a lot of words and don't use a lot of sentences, and don't like write the same ideas. Try and do not like use other person's voice or words to write your own paragraph or essay. So here, viewers of a recent television series about a real-life Western mining town can readily gain as a result appreciation of the hazardous existence and degradation that were common aspects of the perilous camp habitat. So here, viewers of a recent television series about a western mining town can clearly see that everyday life in those camps was both dangerous and degradation, and with just that said, okay. And like I just removed a lot of words that I don't need, and I removed a lot of ideas that I don't need in the set, okay. Just I'm gonna show you here some examples. Just want to teach you a few things, okay. So not this one here. I want you to just like teach you this tip, super easy one. Like use your active voice, not passive voice. If you don't know what is the passive and active, just like you can Google it or ask me in another class. I just can explain it to you. Super easy one. So avoid passive in your articles, okay? Because maybe it's gonna make it like a little bit complicated. So here, the process of modernization in any society is seen as a positive change. So most people just like see modernization in a society as a positive change. I just this sentence, the revision one, is written without passive. Okay. So here, donors use of information is exploited by the fact. So the fact exposed donors misuse of information. Again, do not use passive. Okay. Here, the last one, avoid unnecessary language. So successful globalization depends on factors that involve culture more than economics. Sorry. So successful globalization depends more on culture than economics. That's it. So why would I use like factors or something just involve, and that's it? I just remove these words and I can rewrite it in a better way. Okay. And know that okay. Here you can like here use nouns rather than pronouns as subjects. So there are indications of previous misunderstanding of natural selection in her argument. So just write the subjects. Okay, previous argument demonstrates her misunderstanding of natural selection. Just use the noun, okay, the name of like the noun, okay, as a subject. Okay. I want you, there is a worksheet, I'm gonna send it to you. I hope that or just please submit it, and it's easy one, just 3 sentences. And if you have like any kind of question, just ask me. Also, there's no homework. If you have any homework, please write a note till our next class live session. It's gonna be, I think, on Sunday. Have a nice weekend. Have a like nice long weekend. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well, and that's it.